Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best CNY account Forex brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is a highly regulated, low-risk Forex broker that offers competitive trading conditions with tight spreads guaranteed. This broker has been in the Forex industry for more than a decade and offers 2 flexible account types, in addition to demo accounts and swap-free accounts. With Pepperstone, you can diversify your investment portfolio with more than 1,200 instruments and enjoy all the tools and features offered by the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, as well as the cTrader trading platform. Pepperstone provides plenty of helpful articles for beginners, along with weekly video updates, price forecasts, and so much more. Pepperstone offers 2 main trading accounts with institutional-grade spreads, an active trader program, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All trading accounts allow hedging, scalping, and the use of expert advisors. Pepperstone uses a no-dealing desk broker that also offers premium benefits for professional traders. Pro clients have access to higher leverage referral rewards and dedicated account managers. Pepperstone provides the Razor account, which offers spreads starting at 0 pips and is recommended for scalpers and algorithmic traders. The Standard account is a beginner-friendly account with spreads starting from 0.6 pips. The Pepperstone demo account can be used on MetaTrader 4 and 5 as well as cTrader, and you can also specify the type of account you would like to try in a risk-free environment. Their swap-free accounts are suitable for clients of the Muslim faith and offer spreads starting at 1 pip, along with support for scalping, hedging, and expert advisor trading. Their active trader program is designed for high-volume traders and comes with virtual private server hosting and advanced insights and reports. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the cTrader trading platform. They also provide some helpful trading tools such as Smart Trader tools for MetaTrader 4 and 5, AutoChartist, MyFXBook, MetaTrader Signals, and DupliTrade for social trading. If you are new to trading, Pepperstone offers plenty of helpful trading guides and articles, educational webinars, and the option to copy the trades of professionals. You can also use a demo account to learn how to trade and practice different strategies. Pepperstone is an award-winning no-dealing desk Forex broker that offers competitive, beginner-friendly trading accounts. With this broker, you can trade over 1,000 instruments on 3 of the most popular trading platforms in the market. You will have access to a variety of trading tools and plenty of market insights, market news, and educational resources to help you get started. At number 4 on our list is RoboMarkets. RoboMarkets is one of our top-rated beginner-friendly brokers. This company was founded in 2012, and they are regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, which is the financial regulatory agency of Cyprus. RoboMarkets have won dozens of awards over the years for being safe, offering the best trading conditions, and for providing the best mobile trading platform. As a RoboMarkets client, you will have access to more than 12,000 Forex pairs, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. They offer 5 flexible, low-cost accounts, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips. RoboMarkets accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader trading platforms, which are available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. MetaTrader 4 and 5 are currently ranking amongst the most popular trading platforms in the world. RoboMarkets also offers an exceptional proprietary trading platform known as RStoxTrader. And this platform was designed specifically for trading thousands of CFDs and stocks on offer. This platform has a built-in algorithmic strategy builder, and you can research and analyze market conditions down to the finest details with the Level 2 market depth, as well as time and sales data provided. In addition to the tools and features you get with MetaTrader 4 and 5, as well as RStoxTrader, RoboMarkets also provides advanced trading calculators, in-depth financial charts, and an updated economic calendar that you can use to keep track of major economic events. RoboMarkets offers 5 types of accounts, and they also give their clients the option to use demo accounts and swap free accounts. Unlike most other brokers, a minimum deposit of $100 is required to use any of these accounts. So more experienced traders don't have to make larger deposits to use professional accounts, which usually offer tighter spreads, higher leverage, and more advanced trading tools. The maximum leverage allowed at RoboMarkets is 1 to 300. However, the leverage you can use will depend on your level of trading experience and knowledge of trading. If you are trading for the first time, or you would like to test your strategies, we would recommend the ProCent account. The ProCent account comes with loyalty bonuses, deposit bonuses, and one-click trading. This account offers floating spreads starting from 1.3 pips, and you can use it to trade a wide range of CFDs on Forex pairs, metals, and cryptocurrencies. Their Prime account or their Electronic Communication Network account offer floating spreads starting as low as 0 pips and are eligible for all loyalty bonuses. They are both market execution accounts, but the Prime account offers the best trading conditions overall, while the ECN account offers the lowest spreads, more currency pairs, and the fastest execution. However, both accounts are great for intermediate and professional traders. Their RStoxTrader account is designed specifically for stock trading on the RStoxTrader platform, and it can be used to trade more than 12,000 stocks. The spreads and commission fees on this account are incredibly low, and it is the only account that can be converted to a swap-free account. The main difference between these accounts is that the ProCent account is a cent account that can only be used to trade Forex pairs, metals, and cryptocurrencies. However, the Pro account can be used to trade all instruments offered and is one of the most popular accounts amongst RoboMarkets clients. RoboMarkets provides introductory guides for beginners that will help you open your account and make your first trade. There are also guides that will help you choose the right platform and account for you. Once your account is set up, you can visit the RoboMarkets Analytics Center. Here you will find weekly reviews, updates on key economic news, overall market overviews, wave analysis, and more. They also provide dozens of technical indicator signals that are displayed in table format and are available on 7 timeframes. We would also recommend watching the RoboMarkets webinars to gain expert insights into the markets and exclusive trading tips, and you can also read through their blogs to learn more about stock trading and investing. RoboMarkets is one of our top-rated all-in-one brokers for beginners, professionals, and all types of traders in between. They offer flexible accounts with tight spreads and thousands of tradable instruments, so we highly recommend trading with them if you would like to trade stocks and CFDs, and especially if you are a high-volume trader, so that you can earn cashback rewards every month. Coming in at number 3, we have RoboForex. RoboForex is a leading online brokerage firm renowned for its innovative and comprehensive financial services. With a global presence and a strong commitment to providing traders and investors with cutting-edge tools and resources, they empower individuals to navigate the financial markets with confidence and competence. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to the needs of traders and investors. In addition to the standard Forex offerings, RoboForex provides access to a wide variety of other assets, including commodities, global stock indices, cryptocurrencies, and more. RoboForex's trading instruments offers a gateway to a world of trading possibilities. They provide enticing promotions designed to enhance the trading experience for their clients. With a commitment to delivering added value, RoboForex regularly offers a variety of promotions that may include bonuses, cashback rewards, and other exclusive incentives. These promotions serve to provide traders with additional trading capital and advantages, helping them make the most of their investment strategies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the proprietary R Mobile, R Stocks, and R Web traders. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading account types, tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of traders, whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor. RoboForex has an account option for you. Their lineup includes Prime, ECN, R Stocks Trader, Pro Cent, Pro, as well as Demo and Islamic account options, which are each designed to provide unique trading conditions and advantages. RoboForex is committed to empowering traders with a wealth of educational resources. Their comprehensive collection includes webinars, video tutorials, articles, and more, all designed to enhance knowledge and skills. Whether you're a novice looking to learn the basics of trading or an experienced trader seeking advanced strategies, their educational resources cater to all skill levels. By offering these educational tools, RoboForex equips traders with the knowledge and insights needed to make informed decisions and succeed in the world of online trading. At number 2 on our list is FXOpen. FXOpen is a well-regulated, reputable STP and ECN broker, which was one of the first online trading brokers established. FXOpen has a rich history of offering some of the most comprehensive trading conditions to its traders, specializing in trading through more than 600 tradable currency pairs, indices, commodities, shares, metals, and cryptocurrencies. Platforms are available on the MetaTrader trading platforms, which are available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. You will also be able to use the cTrader trading platform, which includes a highly customizable, user-friendly interface that allows you to personalize your workspace, and it comes with a variety of built-in technical analysis tools and indicators. Their accounts are available on micro, crypto, STP, and ECN accounts, with $1 minimum deposits on the micro account, up to 1 to 500 leverage, floating spreads on the ECN account, as well as copy trading with PAM accounts. Demo and Islamic accounts are also available. FXOpen provides beginner's guides on the basics of trading, how to choose a broker and how to start trading, and if you have any other questions regarding trading, you can visit the Help Center and their Forex forum to view answers to some of the most commonly asked questions. You will also find updated market news and detailed market analysis on the website, and you can visit the FXOpen blog for weekly forecasts and market insights. If you would like to search for any additional educational material with FXOpen. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best CNY account Forex brokers, we have Blackbull Markets. Blackbull Markets is a multi-regulated, multi-asset brokerage firm headquartered in Auckland, New Zealand. Established in 2014, the company has grown to serve traders in over 180 countries, offering access to more than 26,000 tradable instruments, including Forex, equities, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Operating as a true electronic communication network broker, Blackbull Markets provides non-dealing desk execution, ensuring transparency and competitive pricing for its clients. Blackbull Markets offers a diverse suite of trading platforms designed to accommodate traders of all levels, providing access to a variety of tradable instruments across different asset classes. Their platforms include TradingView, cTrader, the MetaTrader platforms, Blackbull Invest, and Blackbull CopyTrader. These platforms support features like no minimum deposits, leverage up to 1 to 500, and 24/7 client support. Their platforms are designed to offer flexibility and efficiency to traders around the world. Blackbull Markets offers 3 primary account types: the ECN Standard Account, the Prime Account, as well as their Institutional Account, each tailored to accommodate different trading styles and experience levels. All account types grant access to their full range of trading platforms, as well as a comprehensive suite of trading instruments. Islamic swap-free account options are also available for standard and prime accounts, catering to clients who require Sharia-compliant trading conditions. The broker provides a comprehensive suite of educational resources designed to support traders at every stage of their journey. Their education hub features structured learning paths, guides which provide a concise overview of trading fundamentals, including asset classes, trading platforms, and essential terminology. Additionally, Blackbull Markets provides practical tools like economic calendars and trading calculators to aid in market analysis. To facilitate hands-on learning, Blackbull Markets offers demo accounts, allowing traders to practice strategies in a risk-free environment. These resources are designed to empower traders with the knowledge and tools necessary for informed decision-making in the financial markets. And those are some of the top 5 best CNY account Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.